So samples rock, and the reason is because it allows you to try something before you actually decide to lay down your hard-earned dinero on a big full-size product, right? There's nothing worse than when you get something, you try it, you don't like it, and you spend all that money, which is why at Pete and Pedro we are super excited to introduce the Bueno Hair Samples Set. Bueno Hair Samples Set comes with all 4 of our core products, but not just like a little bit, because that's one of the things that drives me nuts. When I get a sample, I'm like, yeah, this is kind of nice, I kind of like it, but I can't really tell because I don't have enough to actually decide whether or not I love it. Gentlemen, you do not have that problem with this set. We give you a ton of product to actually try to decide whether or not you're going to love it. But we know that you might want to try it before you actually commit to the larger size. What comes in the sample set, guys, is a trial size version of the sea salt spray. This is a pre-styler, a few squirts in your hair before applying your styling product. The styling product that we're giving you is the #1 styling product that we sell, the Pete and Pedro Putty. It is a high hold, low shine product. Guys are absolutely loving this product. And then when you're ready to shower and clean your hair, you're also going to get our #1 selling Clean, which is an incredible shampoo. Pete and Pedro Clean is a deep cleansing shampoo that's not only going to remove all the dirt, all the grime that builds up the product, it's also going to leave your hair super healthy and clean. But then to take it to the next level, you're also going to get the cream conditioner. This is an amazing conditioner designed specifically to help smooth the hair shaft, to make your hair luscious, silky, and smooth. And then when you decide, yes, I think my hair does look amazing, it's never had more volume and texture and been healthier, then you can upgrade to the larger size option. Guys, try the Pete and Pedro Bueno Hair Sample Set. You are going to love them.